Hey, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this tutorial I will show you how to create pattern shapes and letters in Adobe Illustrator. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, let's start. First, let's start with the pattern shape. You can create any pattern shape. Any shape you can create. So I am going to create a shape using pen tool. I am creating a random shape like this. Now I want to fill pattern inside this shape. So I am going to create a simple pattern. Select the rectangle tool and I have got the fill color selected. Now I am just creating thin strips. And now I am taking a copy of it by holding the Alt key and drag. And press Ctrl D to repeat the steps that you have just done. Like this. Now I am repeating the same steps. This time I am making the strips horizontally. So I have created a simple pattern. And now I am going to group it. Just select the pattern and go to Object and Group. Now I want this pattern to get filled in this shape. So drag the pattern here and now right click and select Arrange and click Send to Back. Now select all of them together and right click and click on Make Clipping Mask. Here you go. So this is how you can create pattern shapes. It is very easy and it looks great. Now I will create one more shape from these shapes tool. Now I want a pattern star. So again I am going to create a simple pattern. This time I am creating a pattern using the line tool. Any type of pattern you can create. It's totally up to you. So I have created a simple pattern and I am going to group it. Now I am going to change its stroke color. Just select it and change the color from here. Now I want to increase its stroke size. So select the pattern and come up here in the stroke panel. If there is no stroke panel showing up at the moment, just go to Window and here Stroke. So I am going to increase the stroke size. Now I am going to place it here. And again do the same. Just right click, arrange and send to back. Now select all and right click and click on make clipping mask. Here you go. So this is how you can create pattern shapes. Now let's come to pattern letters. The same steps you have to follow which you did in the pattern shapes. So, first I'm going to write a text. If you want to change its font and size, you can go to Type and here Font. And from here you can change the size of the text. Or you can change the font and the size of the text from the character panel. From here you can change the size and from here you can change the font. You will find this character panel at the window panel and here type and character. Now I am going to increase its size from here. I want to add different patterns inside every letter of the text. So first I will convert the text into the shape. So I will expand it. Select the text, go to Object and here Expand. Click OK. Now the text has converted into separate shape, but they are grouped together. So we have to ungroup it. Select it and go to Object and Ungroup. You can see these are separate shapes now. Now I want to add pattern inside the half part of the letter H. So I will first divide H into two parts. Select the pen tool and just none the fill color and select the stroke. Now create a division line from where you want to separate the letter, like this. Now select the line and the letter and we will divide it using the Pathfinder. Here click on Divide. You can find Pathfinder in the window panel. Shortcut for Pathfinder panel is Shift Ctrl F9. So now click on Divide. The letter H has divided now, but it is still grouped together. So we will ungroup it by going to Object and Ungroup. So you can see now the letter has separated. Now I want to add pattern to this part. So I am going to create a pattern just like before I have created to fill the shape. I am going to change its fill color. Now we will add the pattern just like before. Drag the pattern here. And now just right click and select Arrange and click Send to Back. Now select all of them and right click and click on Make Clipping Mask. Here you go. So like this you can add pattern to your letter. And I am filling this part with the normal fill color. By using the eyedropper tool, I am picking this color. Hit I to get the eyedropper tool selected. So this is how you can design all your letters and shapes. Now I am going to repeat the same steps that I have just done with letter H. Here you go. So this is how you can create pattern shapes and letters. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.